Should
All
we
right.
start in question number 2?
Yeah,
let
so
me open my question.
start by answering true on your first question. All right, I got, so what's the first one we got wrong?
For me, 3,
All
but
right.
I figured it out.
Yeah, I actually, so what I put is A and D.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's correct, right?
I believe so.
Yeah,
I
I
actually
believe
got
so
number
too, yeah.
3 wrong too because I marked B and C the first time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So you
so
switch it.
yeah, so but I just flipped them around in my head for some reason.
No,
So
you're
this on this actual attempt, I'm putting A and D.
For which one are we doing?
Number 3.
Oh, we already
Number 3.
bypassed 2.
100.
Yeah, did you get it wrong?
I don't think so. It was I'm pretty sure I got that one right. It should have just been B, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, what's the next one we got wrong?
The 4. What do you have for 4?
3.
Stratified sample.
Okay, nice.
And that's because we're going to take, each of the neighborhoods are a strata. And if we did a simple random sample, there's a lot more poor people than rich people, right? So
Yeah.
we'd get a ton more rich people, and it would skew our mean to the right. So we get a stratified sample instead of a...
You got that one right?
Yeah, so stratified sample, D, question 4.
Okay.
All right, numero 5. Okay, so what's the next one we got wrong?
Now I'm correcting it. Is that a cluster sample?
Yep, cluster sample.
Okay, so right now, 6 random sample.
Yeah. So let's just talk about the ones we got wrong. So don't mention it until we get it wrong. So what's after 6? What's the next one we've gotten wrong?
I got 7 wrong, and I don't know which one it is.
All right. So D, stratified random sample again, because this is kind of tricky because there's only 2 strata that you have to pick from, but they're still strata.
Specific people in relation to each other. Yeah.
Yeah. So, all right, next one.
13.
Okay, so 13, I got this one wrong too because I picked the variance.
That's what I picked.
Yeah, I picked that one as well.
Well, and I picked that one. I got it wrong. It's definitely not the mean. It's definitely not the standard deviation.
Just gotta be D.
So I'm gonna put none of them.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So the next one I got wrong was 14, but then I just put it into Excel, and I got here. Let me tell you what I got.
Yeah, and I tell you because I have it right.
14.715.
Yes.
Yeah,
that's correct.
That's what I got for that one too.
Okay. All right, cool. Let's see. Next one I got wrong. I got 18 wrong, but that was because I didn't read the instructions and put it as a whole number instead of a percentage.
The next one I got wrong was 20.
20. All right, so do you know how to get the standard deviation on there?
This is done by getting the CS score of 68% and then just converting the formula.
No.
Okay.
More like an algebra type thing.
Yeah, so what you need to do, so what'd you get for number 19? How'd you get 19 correct without getting
I used the both formulas together and got the value, the mean.
Okay, good. So then what you do is you plug that formula in. So you get the mean, right? And then you solve for the standard deviation. So the mean you got was 2.055, right? And then you just solve for that.
I see what you're saying. That makes sense. Should be between 1.823 and 2.288.
Well, 20 should be a decimal.
Well, he's talking about 21.
Oh, 21. Okay, yeah. I got D.
I put D as well on that one.
D?
Okay.
I got, yeah, perfect.
And I got that one right, so that's good.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I kind of just left out of it so I can get to the quiz. I know I missed like 11 of them. I missed like quite a bit of them.
All right. I missed question 29 and 30 because I swapped them. I didn't read the instructions again. But the mean should be 542.3 and the standard deviation should be 31.1. Did anybody get that one right? Those ones right?
For which one?
29 and 30.
I got a different one for deviation.
Yeah, I got it right. 29,
you got it right?
Yeah.
Marco, you got it right?
430?
What was it?
29 is 542.3 and 30, 1.123.
Okay, yeah. I only put one decimal point. So let's see, let's make sure I checked here. So 30.
Because it's the sample of 15, right?
Yeah, it's the sample of 15.
Which that's squared. Or, yeah, root of that, square root of that, and then. How did I get that wrong?
Yeah, I just got it. I just flipped them around. That's why I missed them.
20.54 divided by. Maybe let's do the square root first. 15. 5. That. Oh, okay, that's what I did wrong. All right. 31.13, right?
Yeah. So I put 31.1 because it says
one decimal place. Yeah.
One decimal point.
31.1. That is correct. Standard. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Put that one. Stupid idiot. Stupid.
Double check my answers here.
Sure, if I go over the ones that I'm like not too sure about, or
yeah. Have you already submitted it?
I have not. No.
Oh, you're supposed to submit it, and then we go over.
Oh, I did. Yeah, I did. I did that already.
Oh, okay.
I just wanted to get it going because we've kind of been in the meeting for a long time. I didn't want to like be too much of a burden and be like, I got all these wrong. You know what I mean? But I just kind of went to the quiz for the group quiz.
What's the first one you want to go over?
Let me see. Let me go up here real quick. I think I'm pretty good on these ones. I'm just not sure. I might be rounding wrong, and that's probably why I'm getting these wrong. So for like, let's see. Be above.
What do you get for 22?
22?
Yeah.
You said it was 50, wasn't it? 0.5 or something?
It's 0.5.
0.5, okay.
How do you know what number to put down? Because it doesn't tell you like 3 decimal places or, you know what I mean?
Well, I don't know. I just put 0.5 because that was the area that was on the shaded in the thing.
And then for like 23, you would just use 600, right, as the number?
23 I have.
Yeah, the value.
Yeah, you would do 600 minus 4 or 2.3.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
then you divide it. Okay.
Yeah, so you're taking the observed value and you're subtracting the mean from it. So.
I did that.
All the other ones I have it right.
4.4876. So that one's what was it? Above 600? Below 600. So
yeah, so the first
68.
one, yeah, the first one is below, and then the second one, all you have to do is subtract the answer you got from one, and it'll give you the second answer. So.
Oh, okay. Well, 22 it says above.
Right. 22 is above, and
23 is below.
Yeah, 23 is below 600. They're different values, you know? So 23 and 24, they use the same value, 600. So if you solve 23, then all you have to do is take 1 and subtract the probability of below 600 to get the probability of above 600.
How are you getting at 27? I'm getting 461.
Wait, 27? Yeah, I got 461 too.
Okay, great.
You didn't get that one wrong, right?
I don't know. I forgot to take notes of that one.
All you have to do is open up a new tab, go to BYU Idaho, go up to the top of your Math 221A, click on quizzes, and then open up the attempts that you've done for this quiz, and you can go through it and see what you've missed and see what you haven't missed.
Let me just do that real quick, actually.
Yeah.
Because I want to know what I got wrong and stuff like that, so I know how to do it. And so let me just get that up real quick. This lesson 8, right? Lesson 8. Lesson 8 group meeting quiz. Go. Missions. Chapter 1. Got 4 and 5 wrong, but we got those already.
So 28.
How did I get that one wrong? Heck?
Not the first time, and I think I got it right now. You have 624.
Okay, so do you guys have the attempt that you just did and you didn't
Yeah,
get
I have it open right now for myself.
All right, so let's start at the top one. You know, we should have all gotten that one wrong. Right? So mark that one true on the one that we're taking now. And let's just start at the top again. And so after number 1, what's the first one you guys got wrong?
After number 1?
Yeah, after number 1.
It was number 4, but that one was stratified, right?
Yep.
And then I got 5 wrong, and that one's cluster.
Yes.
Okay, and then after that, it says I got number 9 wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's probably like it's rounding things. I don't know. It's for that crossroad thing.
Okay, so all you have to do is put the crossroad stuff into the
right. Yeah, that's what I did, and I got the standard deviation, but I'm not sure.
So what did you get for your standard deviation?
Oh shoot, mine is saying 1.9. Oh, that's why I did it wrong. I entered it in wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I did wrong.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so I should get that. Let's go back to that guy real quick. Okay.
And you don't have any questions on these, right, Marco?
No, I'm all good.
Okay, good.
The only one that I want to confirm is 28. I did again. It comes 624. That I think is the right answer.
Okay, and now let's see. All right, so all right. All right. You got 13 wrong. That was the one with variance.
Yeah, and so we all put variance, and we're pretty sure.
Yeah, I thought 15 was true, but it's false. One. Oh, so I did get that one right. 2050. Exactly what it was. Okay. Let's see. Sorry. 24. Oh, okay. I just randomly put a number in there.
On 24.
Yeah, a lot of these I think I just rounding wrong. 25 I got right. That one was 388. 24 I just put above 600 or above.
So
what did you get for 24?
All you need to do is take 1 and subtract the answer that you got on 23.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah.
I get it. I get you. Yeah. Okay. I get you. Let me do that real quick then. Probably should be putting these in while I'm so true. I'll just reflect back on that, I guess. All right.
So,
pause. Excuse me. 850 250. I think the only reason I got 19 right is because I had the deviation, but I still need to find, I figure out, I need to get my head around that equation so I can get it right, for the exam.
Wait, so what did you get right?
I got 19 right, but the only reason I got it right is because I think you said what answer you got for 20, and I just used how I did it. I just did because I think through what the equation's saying up here, it's implying that the 1.59 and the 2.52 are 2 standard deviations away from it. So I just times the standard deviation by 2, and just either plus or minus from that, and that's I got the right answer doing it that way. So.
Well, what it's saying is, so pretend that the mean is an A and standard deviation is a B. They're just variables.
Right, but yeah, that I was just I did it a non-traditional way, the way you're probably not supposed to do it, but the way that I was trying to understand how the equation was, it ended up working. I ended up getting the right answer doing it that way. So it's kind of weird, but
okay, whatever works then.
But like I said, I still need to find out how to. So for the standard deviation, is it easier to find the mean first or the deviation in that equation, or does it really not matter?
Okay, so ignore the fact that it's mu and sigma and pretend that
it's just 2.
Okay, so A plus 2B equals 2.52. And so you're trying to find one of the values, right?
Right.
So the easiest thing to isolate is A in this case, right? So you just take A, so you take one of the equations, it doesn't matter which one, you get A all by itself, which is mu in this case, and then A will equal 2B plus either plus or minus, because it depends on what you do, but
right.
Let's say plus 1.59, and then you take 2B plus 1.59 and you plug it in to A. You see what I'm saying? So where mu is, it's going to be the new equation that you made. So you're using the substitution method to come to the answer. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I just you know, look at the paper.
Here, let me try this. I'll share the screen with you. Okay, so share screen. All right, so we have u, which will be mu, minus, oh, okay, minus 2 sigma equals 1.59, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the other one is mu minus or plus 2 sigma equals 2.52, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you do is you get u all by itself. So we're going to use this one right here. So it's going to be u equals 2 sigma plus, well, let's do it this way because it'll be easier to visualize. 1.59 plus 2 sigma. Oh, oops, I forgot to press shift. Plus 2 sigma. So, you know, you just added 2 sigma over to the side.
Mm-hmm.
So now u equals this, right? So you can take this equation and plug it in right here. So it's going to be 1.59 plus 2 sigma equals, or plus 2 sigma again, equals 2.52. All right, and then you just simplify this, right? So it's going to be 1.59 plus 4 sigma.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, and then you just subtract it from both sides. So it's 4 sigma equals, what is it, 0.93? And then you divide both sides. And so sigma is 0.2325, or yeah, 2325. So yeah, so that's how you come to the answer.
Okay, so like you get to like where the 1.5 plus 4, you cancel out the 1.59, minus it by the 2.52, you get to 0.93 from that, and then divide. It makes sense, and I remember doing this. It's like I feel like this was one of the ones I was like, for like, you know, like the basic algebraic equation was always the one that got me, but that makes sense. It makes perfect sense. It's just arriving at that, you know, it's just a lot of steps, but yeah, I guess that makes more sense. I think it's definitely better with that visualization. So I think I'll be able to solve it better for the exam for sure. So at least for that, let's go. Let's see here. Looking back on my quiz here, you said it was just going to be that -1, the probability -1. So that, okay. 0.684, save. So, -1 minus. So 24 should be 0.316, right?
Excuse me?
24 should be 0.316.
23.
24.
Sorry, I was trying to do something else. 23 should be 0.8. 0.684.
24, not 23.
Yeah, so it should be 0.316.
Yeah, okay, perfect. All right. Now did I get 25 right? I did. 8. This is the ones where I was doing like trial and error on these ones. I wasn't like actually trying to solve. So like for what did you get for 26?
Here, just sorry, just 1 second.
Okay, sorry about that.
26.
Mm-hmm.
So do you understand how to?
No, I understand how to do it because I got 25 right.
Okay.
I just don't
But
know.
you didn't get 26 right?
Yeah, I think I'm rounding wrong or something. I think I'm close, but I'm not exactly there. So what'd you get?
So I got 697.
697. Okay.
Okay. I figured out how I got the standard deviation wrong. I forgot to subtract.
That was 90th percentile, right, for that question?
Yeah, 90th.
I guess that it's closest. Okay. How did I get that number? Wow, that was way off. Okay, first quartile. I think I got this one wrong too. All right, let's see here. What? And what'd you get for 27?
Okay, just a second. I'm just checking for error. So 27. 461. 461.
No. Oh, first quartile is the minimum, right?
First quartile is 25%. Mark.
What the heck? That is interesting. They put 25 in the probability output, and that z-score doesn't match.
Did you put 0.25?
Yeah. Why that's why my answer is wrong. That's weird, man. The heck? $319. The heck? Do you have your applet open?
Yeah, I think I do here. Just a second. Yeah. No, there we go. Yeah.
What do you when you put 0.25 in? What's it say for your z-score?
1.150.
That's with both sides, or maybe
Yeah.
that's why it's not doing it. There we go. That's what I did wrong. Okay. You're supposed to select the left side, not the middle. Okay, that makes sense. 461. Okay. 27, 28. It's probably what I did wrong with this one too. That side. Come on, get there. Same. Quartile.
You guys good?
All right. 31 is 0.
31, you have 0.032.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Or 0, because 3 places, right? So 0, 0, 0 0.0.
Uh-huh.
0.032.
Yeah.
You guys ready to submit it?
And then sorry, not 38, 28. What should you get for that one?
I got 624.
624.
Is that what yours got?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. Should be good now, I think. We should have answered everything.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, no, you're good. Hey, I'm sorry, guys, that I couldn't make it early. I was up doing an exam. Hey, take care. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
All right, Jordan, where are you stuck now?
No, I got them all answered now.
All right, well, let's submit it and get out of here.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I missed 30, but I got.
I did too. The heck? Wow, that one. That's weird. Now it says round 3 decimal places.
On the first one, it said round 1. Oh, that's shoot.
Oh, because
That's
it was
why I
that
got it
one.
wrong.
Yeah. Oh, we mixed
It should
29.
be 31.123.
Oh man, gosh dang it.
Shoot. Oh well, 96.
96 is still good.
Yeah. All right. Well, all right. Let me stop this and